My name is Pat Jennings. I'm a work comp attorney with Joye Law Firm. I moved here in January 2006, and then I started Joye in January 2007. We work so much and we work so hard and we work so intently, you have to have something to kind of de-stress. So I kind of fell in love with live music. I was probably about 10 or 11 years old and haven't looked back. It's one of the things that keeps me happy and that I look forward to and keeps me energized. I have a 1.5-year-old daughter. Anything that can get her to smile, I think, is really where all my energy's been focused. But I've also really been trying to get her into the things that I love, whether that's concerts or going out or going to sporting events. She went to her first Clemson game when she was 2 months old, and that's something my wife and I are constantly trying to do. I grew up the son of a coach and a nurse, which you wouldn't think would be the perfect recipe for a good lawyer. And I don't know that it necessarily is, but it certainly is a good recipe for being a good listener and being a good teammate. I represent injured workers, and when I hear stories, I can't help but put my family in those shoes. How would I feel if that happened to me? How would I feel if that happened to my daughter or my wife? And it does make you work harder. It really does. There's one case that really changed the way that I treat the profession because I saw the absolute horrors of workers' comp. I had a client, he was sanding a ceiling and fell down an elevator shaft. He needed 6 brain surgeries. It got worse when his employer, the supervisors, the people that hired them said they didn't know who he was. He got paid cash. There's no paper trail. These people knew what they were doing. And meanwhile, I have a client at home with no income. He went 2 years with no money. He only had life-saving medical treatment. What we were able to do in the end, to see him now versus where he was when that first started, it's night and day. That case affected all of the lawyers at Joye Law Firm. That's one I'll never forget. Sometimes it does feel like you don't really make that much of a difference, but when you get the ones that do open up or their family opens up and tells you how your work affected them, there's nothing better than that, man.